Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to insert information in the database, but before that, we need to create an action which will take the information in a model and process that to the database. So let's create that action. Even that, we can use the setting update action like this and use here. We need to stop the application and now paste it here. We are going to use messages model. Here is the messages model. For the connection open, we need to declare a global connection string, and we need to add references. So add the configuration reference, command type reference, and that's it. Now we need to declare the store procedure. So here we have store procedure, refresh it, copy this name. Okay, now simply copy the internal ASP. Here is the store procedure. Here we have the filter. We are using the insert as a filter value. Okay, so we have name, email, address, message. That's it. We are not going to use the time. We will use the time from database get date method. Okay, remove this information, and that's it. So now we have name, email, address, and message information. Now implement the filter within the store procedure. If or filter is equal okay and time. We have name, email, address, message, and time. And now here is the time for values. So let's create name, email, address, message. Uh, 100 for name, same for email, same for address, and here is max. Now use these columns here email address message and get date method and execute. So this procedure is ready for the insert filter. And now here in this video we have created this action insert to insert the messages. I hope this is informative. In the next video we are going to create the AJAX call to hit this action to insert the information within the database. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.